How to buy OpenAI credits. In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to buy OpenAI credits. So the first thing you have to do is go to your search bar and simply open up platform.openai.com. Search for it and then click on the first link. Now, in order to purchase credits over here, you need to have an organization created, which I've already done. And then from there, you just want to go to settings, go to billing. And from your billing, you can add your payment details. And after that, you'll have an option to purchase credits over here. So here you can find credit grants as well. So if you have any credit grants, it will be shown over here. You'll see your billing history, payment methods, and on the overview section, you should have the option to buy credit over here. Once you've added payment method, you'll have an option to buy credit over here. So just go ahead and click on it. And then you can just simply add the amount that you want to purchase. You can enter the amount between $5 and $500, and then click on continue. Once you do that, you can just click on confirm payment, and it will you could easily purchase OpenAI's API credits. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you guys in the next one.